My name is Abhinav Loya. I'm the Managing Director of Global Business Development at Golden Gate Global, an EB-5 investment fund headquartered in San Francisco, California, with offices in Chicago and New York. In today's video, we will discuss the differences between an E-2 business visa and an EB-5 investor visa. An EB-5 investor visa is an immigrant visa that results in US permanent residence, or popularly known as a green card. An E-2 business visa is a non-immigrant visa, which is a temporary visa issued for a specific purpose, in this case, establishing a business in the United States. The EB-5 visa is available to nationals of other countries, whereas the E-2 visa is restricted by countries that have an E-2 treaty with the United States. The EB-5 visa has a minimum investment amount of $800,000 in targeted employment areas designated by the Department of Homeland Security, and $1,050,000 outside targeted employment areas. The E-2 visa does not have a minimum prescribed investment amount. However, it requires substantial investment based on the business activity being performed. The EB-5 visa may or may not require active involvement. Investors have the option to invest with a USCIS licensed regional center and remain passive, whereas an E-2 visa holder needs to be actively involved with the business. EB-5 investor visa gives the freedom to live and work anywhere in the United States, whereas an E-2 visa holder is restricted to working for the E-2 qualifying business. As mentioned earlier, EB-5 visa results in a green card, which is issued for life, renewable every 10 years, or till the time an investor applies for US citizenship. An E-2 visa is issued for a period of 1 to 5 years, depending on the nationality of the applicant. It too is renewable in similar increments for life. The green card that is issued with an EB-5 visa application is valid till the time the EB-5 applicant decides to abandon it or applies for US citizenship. An E-2 visa is only valid till the time the qualifying business is operational. In case of an EB-5 visa, the green card is issued to the investor, spouse, and unmarried children below the age of 21. Same is the case for E-2 visa. It too is issued to spouse and children below the age of 21. However, the key difference here is that in case of a green card, the child, even if he or she attains the age of 21, gets to live and work in the United States forever. However, in case of an E-2 visa, if a child turns 21, they no longer qualify as a dependent under E-2 visa and need to qualify for their own visa, either as a student or as an H-1B visa professional. And if they fail to qualify for any visa category, they need to leave the United States. Lastly, EB-5 investment, in case of regional center investments, is repaid in 4 to 5 years depending on the project, whereas in case of an E-2 business visa, there is no fixed timeline for repayment of capital, and it depends on the performance of the business. To learn more about EB-5 visa with Golden Gate Global, log on to our website 3gfund.com or write to us at info@3gfund.com.